Looking for a smarter way to weld studs or nuts onto thick film heating plates without damaging their precision-printed surface? The TATE CNC stud welding machine is built for exactly that. Designed specifically for the automated welding of studs and nuts onto delicate thick film heating plates, it ensures clean, strong welds while fully protecting the underlying printed circuits. With precise positioning, programmable welding parameters, and high-speed automation, TATE delivers consistent quality, reduced labor cost, and increased productivity, all in one compact system. Whether you're producing in high volume or seeking to eliminate manual welding risks, TATE offers the efficiency and control your production line needs. Now, let's take a closer look at some real welding samples. Notice the perfect stud placement, the clean weld points, and how the printed circuitry remains untouched. Every detail reflects the precision and reliability of the TATE system. Want to see how it can boost your line? Contact us today at info@octate.com and let TATE bring smart automation to your production.